Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we'll be unboxing packages from the previous week and we have a ton of packages to unbox. I saved a lot of them so you guys can see my reaction on camera. I'm filming this in the middle of the week because like I said in last week's video, I am pre-filming some stuff for you guys for when I go out of town. So yeah, I was good and I haven't unboxed most of these items. So I'm excited to dig in. Really quick before we get started though, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you don't forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls on Monday. But yeah, I'm excited to unbox these, so let's get started. Okay, first and foremost, I have to show you guys one that I already unboxed. I just could not wait for this. So this package is the first one we're gonna unbox. This arrived today from L'Oreal. I haven't saw any sneak peeks of any other influencers opening it because sometimes I like to stalk other people's Snapchats to see what they're getting. You know what I mean? So let me know down below. Do you guys like stalk Snapchats and Instagram stories for unboxings? Because I definitely do. I don't know what this is. I was so excited because I was like, oh, I want to open it so bad. And then I remembered that I was doing my mail haul today. Okay, it says introducing Crave-worthy color, texture, scent, and finish. The Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. I think this is like something that's supposed to be chocolate. Because it says less chocolate nudes, intense matte pigment, liquid lipsticks that offer a smooth full coverage look that doesn't smudge. Enjoy the enclosed shades new for summer 2018 and a sweet treat. Ooh. Okay, so first thing, I don't know what this is, but it's squishy and it might be wet. Oh, it's a cold pack. It is a cold pack. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's funny. Okay. Ooh, and then we have, these are the liquid lipsticks. The Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I'm going to swatch these for you guys. I love these. This is one of the lipsticks that I wore in New York and it lasted like forever. I'm like, oh, this is squishy. Okay, and then here's what they sent over. I think this might be a box of chocolates. Let's see. Y'all, I have been on a diet for the past couple weeks. Haven't been talking about it, but I have officially lost 10 pounds, which I'm really excited for. I have a lot more to go, but this might stop it or make me gain some weight back. So let's open this up and see what they sent over. I think this is a box of chocolates, y'all. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is literally the cutest thing in the whole world. I don't even want to eat this. It literally has lipsticks. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, L'Oreal. This is literally so freaking cute. So freaking cute. I have to snap about it. Oh my gosh. These are scented lipsticks. That is the whole chocolate theme. This is the YouTube side of me, but I'm gonna have to take some photos and then I'll eat the chocolate. So I'll let you guys know down below how they were. Okay, let's open up these lipsticks. So yeah, I guess they're supposed to be like chocolate scented. I mean, that's like my favorite thing ever. Chocolate is my favorite thing in the world. Well, besides makeup. Okay, let's see what we want to do first. Okay, so the first one is Candy Man. And here's what the packaging looks like. It has like a little brown top. Oh my gosh, yes. It smells just like chocolate. Ugh. Oh my gosh, y'all have no idea how excited I am. Ooh, that is Candy Man. That looks real nice. And they're so comfortable. I know one of y'all said you don't like when I layer stuff, so let me take this lipstick off and let's put this one on over it. Oh my gosh. So here's what this looks like. This is Candy Man. The next one that we have is Sweet Tooth. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how good the chocolate scent smells. It smells, like to me it smells like a specific chocolate that I can't think of, but right there is Sweet Tooth. It's a really pretty nude. I feel like I might need a little bit of a darker shade because I was so used to that bright pink earlier. Next one is Dose of Cocoa. Yes, this is another beautiful nude. Dose of Cocoa. Right there so you guys can see it. The next one is Xoxo Chocolate and it's another really great nude. Like a nudie, like purpley. They dry so fast too. Sorry, I'm scooting up a little bit closer. Next one we have is Bittersweet. And I think this one's more of like that gray shade. I personally don't prefer this shade, but right there it is. Bittersweet. And then last but not least, we have 70% Yum. And this is a dark chocolate shade. So there are those. Thank you so much to L'Oreal for that package. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. I love the lipstick smells. I like the shades. I want to try more of them on. And obviously I love the box of chocolate. That was so freaking awesome. Thank you all so much. I'm gonna put a little bit of gloss on this to darken the shade just a little bit. Okay, so there are those. Next package came from Urban Decay, and this one I had taken out of the box, so let's see what they sent over. Set this down so I can open it. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this, you guys. So first off, they sent over some setting sprays and some other products, but they sent over a all-nighter setting spray and it has my name on it. Is that not so cute? Thank you all so much. So yeah, this is from Urban Decay. Okay. So yeah, so they sent me a all-nighter makeup setting spray and it has Danielle on it. I'm actually going to put this like up in my room on display because I just don't want to use it because it has my name and it's so cute. And then we have two, I don't know if these are new ones, but it's so funny because it says bounce back, not the one night stand that's still haunting you. And this is the Urban Decay Rebound Collagen Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray. It is firming, smoothing, and radiance boosting. All this like rhymes. It sounds great. Like, yes, give me that. It says help dull fatigue skin bounce back. Give your skin an intense hydration and instantly firm and smooth your complexion with this collagen infused spray. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited to try this. I feel like a lot of companies now are coming out with different setting sprays. Like I need to make a setting spray drawer because there's a lot of new ones I haven't even tried out yet that I have. Like the new Cover FX ones. There's some other ones that I can't think of. And then we have the Environmental Defense Makeup Setting Spray. It says patented time release temperature control technology. So yeah, I'm not sure if these are new. Let me know down below if you guys know if they're new, but yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, thank you so much. And then also we have the Urban Decay Velvetizer Translucent Mix in Medium. And then, ooh, and then I believe this is new as well. This is the Urban Decay Drop Shot Mix in Facial Oil, and it's a lightweight fluid foundation booster. Well, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it smells like essential oils. Here's what it looks like. And then on the back, it says, create your own luxurious skin softening complexion cocktail. Add a shot of this mix-in oil to foundation for a continued skin and dewy radiance glow. Yes. Okay, so first impressions, I'm filming them this weekend. We're on a film and roll. So thank you so much to Urban Decay. So excited to try out these products. And thank you so much for the customized all-nighter. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Next package came from Becca. Y'all already know I tore this open because I just got so excited. They actually just came out with a really cool product I saw online today that's like a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, and like a blur powder or something. So that looks really cool. But anyways, here's what it looked like when you open it up. Y'all, this was so freaking thoughtful. If I can get it out. I don't think this is available in the US. I'm not sure, but it says Becca UK Passport to Glow. And here's what it looks like. And it says introducing the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Royal Glow. It is $30 US, so I guess it is available. Yes, it's going to be available at beccacosmetics.com. And this one is the limited edition bronzed opal shade infused with gold pearl to create a soft, warm, breathtaking glow. And it, I believe, was basically formulated because it's sold in the UK. And when they sent over this like Becca like passport holder, which I think is so freaking cute. And it's just like such a cute touch because it is an international product and it has the passport. I just think they think of like the cutest things. And then here's what the packaging looks like. It says Passport to Glow. And y'all, it looks gorgeous. Y'all know how much I love Becca highlights. And it literally has that on it. I just am going to swatch a little bit of it because I want to actually take a photo of this for you guys so you can see like the actual emblem. I'm trying to like get the littlest swatches possible. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that shade is. I don't even feel like it's gonna do it justice on camera, but it is so beautiful. It's like the perfect light champagne gold shade. You know what I mean? It's not like so gold like champagne pop, but it has like almost like a coral undertone to it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I will try to leave that link down below, but this looks really, really great. And I'm excited for it. And they also, oh, did I dig my finger in that? They also sent over this Becca Passport to Glow, and this is a little candle, which is so cute. So thank you so much to Becca Cosmetics for that package. I'm definitely putting that passport case to use because I'll be traveling internationally in a couple weeks, and I can't wait to wear the highlight too. So stay tuned for that. Okay, next package. I am not sure who this is from, so let's open it up. Oh, it actually, I don't think has like tape on it. Ooh. Oh, it is from Pure. So it says, hey Danielle, here are a few of our favorite, always cruelty-free, good for your skin products. So here's what they sent over. And let's see what all they have in here. So the first thing is a 4-in-1 Press Mineral Makeup Powder. And they sent me the shade Gold Medium. And you know what? I've been saying how I really want like a good powder because I feel like I'm running out of all mine currently. Then we have the Cameo Contour Dual-Ended Contour Foundation. We have a 4-in-1 foundation stick. And this says Cream to Velvet Matte Foundation. So I wonder what this, I wonder what this looks like. This is the shade Medium, and it's a foundation stick. I just want to swatch this because I'm curious. So here's what it looks like. I probably am a little bit darker. Oh yeah, I'm probably a lot darker than that. I might can use that like in the summertime maybe, but it looks like it would be really full coverage. I'm trying to like rub it out and see what it looks like blended in. It looks like it'd be very full coverage. Just a little bit too light right now, but maybe I could mix in like some bronzers with it. I'll set that one to the side. Then they sent over their Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. That sounds interesting. The Pure Identity, and this is an eye cream. And then we have an eye polish in the shade Caviar. I have used these in the past and they are really beautiful. And then last thing we have is a 4-in-1 lip duo. So thank you so much to Pure for this package. Okay, next two things we have came from Too Faced. And I totally forgot to show this to you guys the other week. They sent over their entire line of peach foundations. Yo, this is going up in my kit because this foundation is really awesome. I've used it before. It's matte, it's beautiful, it smells like peaches. Looks really nice on the skin. So they did come out with some new shades. Y'all, I'm like really impressed with this, Becca. I like love how it has like that peachy undertone. Back to Too Faced. So yeah, they came out with some new shades. Here's what the packaging looks like. And it is the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and it is a medium coverage. To me, you can build it up to be full coverage. And yeah, they came out with a couple different shades. They do have a pretty big line as far as the shade range. Now, they don't have 40 shades like some of the other brands are coming out with lately, but they have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oh, I could have just went 5, 10, 15, 20. They have 20 different shades. It is a oil-free, oil-controlling, a 14-hour wear formula, and it smells like peaches and cream. So yeah, definitely excited for the launch of the new shades. I wear the shade, I think it's Sand is the one that I'm wearing currently. It's either Sand or Warm Beige, or maybe it's Warm Sand. I'll have to let y'all know down below because I'm not really sure at this point. It's up front in my other makeup area for my day-to-day makeup. But yeah, thank you so much to Too Faced. And they also sent this package over, so let's open it up. This one came this week. I'm opening it upside down. Okay, oops. Okay. Oh, here we go. All right. Ooh, it says Too Faced. Feeling hungover? When long days and late nights leave you with a beauty hangover, our coconut water infused primer and 3-in-1 spray is your instant cure for a healthy looking glow that will make everyone think that you got 8 hours of sleep and drank your dose of H2O, even if you didn't. And you guys, they sent over both of those. So we have the 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. And then we have the Hangover RX face primer. I do love this. It's very, very hydrating. And they also sent over little travel sizes. Oh my gosh, I have to open this up and look at these. These are gonna be so cute. I just feel it. Oh, look how cute. These would be really good for traveling, especially. And then let's see what the little baby hangover primer looks like. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. So thank you so much to Too Faced. These will definitely be getting put to use. And thank you all so much for this, as well as the foundations. And you know what? I have been meaning to show y'all. They actually sent me an eyeshadow palette a couple weeks back. Let's swatch that. Totally forgot about this till just now. So they sent over like a couple weeks ago. Sorry, I have on a kimono. It keeps falling down. They sent over their Natural Eyes Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. And here's what it looks like. I love the face palette that they came out with. I use that on the daily. Ooh, so here's what it looks like. The Natural Eyes collection. I love the packaging. It's so just like sleek and pretty and just like good quality. And then here's what the shadows look like. So I didn't actually own the original, so I can't say like, oh, it's comparable to the original or whatnot. What I can say is this looks very nice. Look at that middle shade, that shimmer though. Okay, that's very, very, very nice. And then let's swatch the next 3 shades. Oh, these shimmers though, beautiful. And they feel so creamy too. You know, sometimes you get palettes and they aren't about that creamy life. This one feels like it definitely is, and it would be a beautiful everyday palette as well. And then let's swatch the last 3 shades. Now, the last 3 shades are more like for your smokier days or smokier nights. I don't feel like, for me, I don't personally love the shadows normally that have like the glitter chunks in them. We'll see how they swatch. Well, they still feel creamy, but you know what I mean? It's not really that, hopefully you'll be able to see, it's not really like that shimmer. It's more like a glitter down here at the bottom. But yeah, this palette looks gorgeous. I'll definitely have to try it out more on the eyes and let you guys know. But so far, it looks awesome and I can't wait to try it on the eyes. Next package we have came from Pixi Beauty. And this actually came in today as well. Ooh, okay, so it says, Pixi Skin Rescue Essentials, Restore, Revive, and Reveal Your Radiance. Yes, Pixi. Tell me more. Okay, so let's see what they sent over. Ooh, okay, so the first thing we have is a Glow O2 with probiotic and caffeine. Oh, so this says it's an oxygen mask. It says this oxygen treatment mask revives dull, tired skin, providing an immediate anti-fatigue effect. Perfect before a big event or a makeup application. So you can put this on before you put your makeup on. I'm definitely gonna try it. And then we have, oh, I bet these smell really good. This is a overnight glow serum and it has glycolic acid in it. Ooh, and it has aloe vera in it. And then this is the jasmine oil blend. And you can use this one only at nighttime. And then this one you can actually use AM and PM. I don't know if this is new. I actually haven't heard of this one before, so I'm thinking it is new. So I'll have to look into that. And then we have the, it looks like it has like some gunk. I don't know. This is a glow mist, and I have used this before from Pixi and really like it. I actually think I'm almost finished with one of these bottles that I have. But yeah, thank you so much to Pixi. I love their skincare products. I love a lot of their makeup products too. They have some really good highlights, some really good lipsticks too. So yeah, thank y'all so much. So I'm very excited. I've saved a... What? Oh my gosh, that scared the heck out of me. I hit my Apple Watch and it started talking. Okay. Anywho, add a shot of this to mix. Ugh. Ow. And I totally forgot to show you. And it says, we can't wait for you to try and remember to take Okay, and that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. If you love this series, please make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to continue doing them. And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.